Whiskers, a curious cat, prowled through tall grass. She stumbled upon a strange object, half buried in the ground. The hatch slid open with a hiss. Whiskers stepped inside, and the ship's control panel lit up. "Greetings, feline passenger," a robotic voice spoke. With a flick of her tail, Whiskers activated the engines. Stars whizzed by like diamonds on velvet as Whiskers explored the cosmos. She chased a comet and stumbled upon a nebula's dance. The alien ship's computer narrated each wonder, and Whiskers purred with delight. A friendly alien face appeared on the view screen. "Greetings, Whiskers. I'm Zorvath from planet Zorvan," the alien said with a warm smile. Whiskers meowed a hello, and Zorvath chuckled. Together they explored the galaxy, sharing laughter and stories. Whiskers found a new friend, and the stars seemed brighter with Zorvath by her side. Whiskers rode the cosmic winds with her new companion.